Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So I believe in actively seeking peace. Okay? In today's society, we're constantly moving forward, whether it's on the phone, whether it's on TV, whether it's in our cars, whether it's going to social events, whatever the case might be. You have to be able to find peace from yourself. So to be able to just go sit down and read a book and learn a little bit, slow your mind down and meditate. Once you are able to do that consistently, you're going to start to be able to see different opportunities in your business that other people who are so fast and so wound up cannot see. For example, on the days I do not go dancing, I usually go to Barnes and Nobles to just sit and read. It's a two-story building, which is just over this very scenic, road. You can see some cars going by. You can see the trees. You can see all the different colors in the trees during the fall. When it's summertime, it's just very sunny outside. You get a lot of great vitamins and a lot of great sunshine on you. And it's in those moments I usually have very great clarity in my business because it's like, okay, cool. So, you have X amount of consultation calls coming up this week. What if you talked about X in your consultation calls? What if you talked about Y inside of your business? Here are some great video tips, and it all comes to me when I'm peaceful and when I'm relaxed. So that is why you guys and why everybody needs to start, seeking out peace. At least that's my opinion, my observation. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to be able to find peace and still make your business grow, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.